Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute ponytail. So if you'd like to see how I got it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Thank you so much to Arabella hair for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be using some of their bundles to create this ponytail, but I'll make sure to show you guys that part later on in the video, as well as give you the details on the hair that I'm using. I am going to be styling my natural hair today, so I thought I'd give you guys like a little update on like what's going on with my hair. Right now it is straightened. I have been natural for a couple of years now, so my hair's just been growing underneath like my protective styles and everything. I did have locks for a good while. I think it was like about a year or so, and my hair really grew during that time. But this is pretty much what my hair is looking like at the moment. I do have my little rat tail still in the back. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with my hair because it has been a while since I've like had like my natural hair on camera. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to how I got this ponytail. I'm gonna be doing like a really deep side part, and it's gonna be going in the same direction that I want my swoop bangs. So you can kind of see me there using my rat tail comb to figure out where exactly I want my part and how like slanted I want it to be. I'm just going to use my rat tail comb to do that and just push the bang area that I'm going to be like swooping over to the side so I can work on the ponytail first. So I really wanted to make sure that this ponytail was super sleek and flat. So I'm going to be going in first with some Murray's beeswax, and I'm going to apply this in layers onto my hair. And this is just going to make it 10 times easier for me to push all of my hair into a really straight ponytail. So I messed up the first time that I filmed this hairstyle, so I ended up having to do it again. So this is actually my second attempt at doing this hairstyle. So if you see little flakes here and there on my hair, that's just the hairspray like flaking off from the first time that I did this hairstyle the day before. So yeah, don't judge me. So once I was done applying the beeswax, I went ahead and combed it through and pulled all of that hair into an elastic. I'm going to be doing more with the ponytail later on, but I want to go ahead and do my edges next. So to style my edges, I love using the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer as well as the Got to Be Ultra Glue gel. I'm going to use a mixture of my edge brush and my rat tail comb to style my edges up. I'm just going to create a couple of swoops here and there. You guys know I love my little baby hairs and everything. I love to get, you know, the edges popping and stuff. So yeah. So I'm going to create one swoop at my temples, one underneath, and then have that one connect to my sideburns. I'm then going to go in with some Got to Be Freeze spray and add that to the ponytail part of my hair. And this is what's going to get our ponytail looking super, super sleek and straight. I've seen a lot of hairstylists just use the Got to Be Freeze spray to like mold ponytails into place. Unfortunately, I'm not that talented. I'm not a professional. I'm doing the best that I can. So I had to use a mixture of those two products just to kind of get the ponytail as straight as I possibly could. But I'm going to add a ton of that hairspray to my ponytail and then use my comb to mold that ponytail into place and then just retie it using my hair tie. So the ponytail is in place. I'm going to start styling the bangs now. And pretty much I use the same technique as the ponytail. I went in first with the beeswax and added that in layers and then apply my hairspray on top of that. And using my comb, I'm just going to start molding that section into like my swoop. I can't even lie, this part was really difficult for me because you're trying to like mold this section in a direction that your hair doesn't typically go. Just take your time with it and work in sections. I feel like that helped me the most. That's a tip that I got from Filthy Rich Tresses here on YouTube. Sade is the hairstylist on that channel, and that's a tip that I got from her. Just basically working in layers and in sections, like smaller sections, just makes it a lot easier to get this like hairstyle perfect. So I am done swooping those bangs. I'm gonna go ahead and move back to the ponytail. The hair that I'm gonna be using is from Arabella Hair. This is their Peruvian loose wave in 14 inches. This hair is super soft and very silky, so it's gonna work perfectly for our ponytail. Before I can install it though, I have to braid this ponytail first, just so the weft has something to kind of like attach to. So I'm gonna make sure to put my ponytail in a really like tight braid and just secure it at the end using an elastic band. Now this hair is only 14 inches. If you want a longer ponytail, or if you have like shorter hair, then you might want to go with a length that's a little bit longer, but you can pretty much use any length that you want depending on how long you want your ponytail to be. So once I have that hair braided, I'm going to start wrapping the weft around the braid and pinning it using some bobby pins. You're going to need a lot of bobby pins for this part, so make sure you have those ready. And I'm just going to make sure to wrap that hair really tightly against the braid so that way it's nice and secure. Also, when you're applying your bobby pins, make sure to point them in a downward direction. The first time that I did this ponytail, I applied some of the bobby pins going upwards. I kid you not, guys, those bobby pins literally flew out of my ponytail. I was literally sitting down eating and a bobby pin just popped out of my head. So yeah, I definitely feel like it works better if you apply your bobby pins going in a downward direction. And I noticed that my ponytail felt a lot more secure the second time around when I did that versus the first time when I wasn't really thinking so much about that. So once I'm done wrapping the ponytail, I'm going to add my last few bobby pins just to make sure everything is nice and secure. And then taking that hair that we swooped from my bang, as well as a little bit of hair from the actual ponytail, I'm going to start wrapping that around the elastic band just to mask it and give it more of like a sleek look. And this is the final look, guys. So cute. I love the way this ponytail came out. I did leave the curls at the end for pictures and everything like that, but I definitely wanted to make sure to show you guys what the ponytail looked like straight. So I'm going to go in with my flat iron and just kind of straighten out those curls. I feel like with the hair straight too, you can really see like how snatched this ponytail is. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this hair tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Make sure you hit that little bell so you get a notification anytime that I upload. But thank you again for watching, guys. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.